Every year Q1 is the time for mass production and commercialization of Qualcomm new generation flagship platform, and a large wave of new flagships will also be released during this period. Samsung Galaxy S series is one of the first models of Snapdragon 8 series flagship processors every year. Not surprisingly, next year Samsung Galaxy S21 will take the lead in commercial Snapdragon 875 processors. Yesterday, the Anthony leaks that the Galaxy S21 is missing the under-screen camera technology because the technology of the phone is not yet fully prepared. The image exposed by the reporter at Anthony suggests that there is still a screen window effect in the under-screen camera technology, which refers to the inconsistent screen display effect, just like a screen window is separated from the front camera. If the screen window effect cannot be completely resolved, the display effect of the screen will be greatly reduced. This is totally unacceptable for Samsung, which often gets DisplayMate 8 Plus screens. Therefore, if the Samsung Galaxy S21 does not have under-screen camera technology, it will inevitably adopt a more mature and stable punch-hole screen. Although the pop-up full screen can create a true full-screen form, but a pop-up module will obviously increase the weight and thickness of the phone. It is worth noting that the current ZTE Axon 25G is the first to mass-produce under-screen camera technology, and Xiaomi also demonstrated its third-generation under-screen camera, which will be officially mass-produced and commercialized next year.